रोबोटिक्स शिकतोय. ऑटोमेशन आपण शिकलो. आता ऑटोमेशन मधलं एक महत्त्वाचं पार्ट आहे FMS, फ्लेक्सिबल मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टीम. त्या फ्लेक्सिबल मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टीम इट इज द स्टार्ट ऑफ ऑटोमेशन. बरोबर. फ्लेक्सिबल मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टीम इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट ऑफ एनी ऑटोमेशन सिस्टीम. बरोबर. फ्लेक्सिबल मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टीम मध्ये आपण बघायचं आहे दॅट फ्लेक्सिबल मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टीम इज इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट फॉर एनी ऑटोमेशन सिस्टीम. बरोबर. FMS काय आपल्याला थोडक्यात बघायचं आहे. आपण काय काय बनणार आहे. डेफिनेशन ऑफ FMS. व्हॉट इज FMS? फ्लेक्सिबल मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टीम म्हणजे काय आहे, त्याची हिस्ट्री काय, कशा प्रकारे सुरुवात झाली, हिस्ट्री ऑफ FMS फ्लेक्सिबल मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टीमची हिस्ट्री बघायची. त्यानंतर FMS मध्ये कुठले कुठले इक्विपमेंट येतात. बरोबर. टाइप्स ऑफ FMS. देर आर नंबर ऑफ टाइप्स ऑफ FMS. फ्लेक्सिबल मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टीमची टाइप्स आपल्याला बघायचे. देन ऍप्लिकेशन्स ऑफ FMS. कुठे कुठे आपण FMS सिस्टीम वापरू शकतो. FMS different approaches, then advantages and disadvantages of flexible management system. Then there are some developments in FMS system also, and how FMS works. So that part we will cover with this one by one. Number of slides. Student दिसतंय सगळ्यांना? Student screen share आली ना? Hello.
Yes,
Students. बरोबर. FMS system आपण बघूया. That is flexible management system. So FMS काय आपण थोडक्यात बघू. So FMS it is a production system. It is a production system consisting of a set of identical and or complementary numerical control machine. बरोबर. FMS मध्ये काय, इट इज प्रोडक्शन सिस्टीम. बेसिकली काय प्रोडक्शन सिस्टीम आहे ती. त्याच्यात काय काय असतं, सेट ऑफ आयडेंटिकल और कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी न्यूमेरिकल कंट्रोल मशीन. NC मशीनच्या बघितलं आपण ना, ज्या नंबर्सनी कंट्रोल होतात. नंबर्स मशीन्स विच आर कंट्रोल बाय ओनली नंबर्स अँड लेटर्स. दॅट इज न्यूमेरिकल कंट्रोल मशीन. मग न्यूमेरिकल कंट्रोल मशीन्स विच आर कनेक्टेड थ्रू अन ऑटोमेटेड ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन सिस्टीम. आणि ह्या NC मशीन्स काय दे आर कनेक्टेड बाय सम ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन ऑल्सो. म्हणजे एका मशीनवर प्रोडक्ट झाल्यानंतर प्रोसेसिंग झाल्यानंतर that product is transferred to the next workstation, next machine for further processing. So that is automated transportation system is also there. Each process in FMS is controlled by a dedicated computer called as FMS cell computer. So that is flexible management system. Flexible management system, it is the production system consisting of a set of identical or complementary numerical control systems. बरोबर. सारख्या सिस्टम असणार आहे. सारख्या NC मशीन्स आहे काही. NC machines, not only NC machines, but machines are connected through an automated transportation system also. For automated transportation system ते कनेक्टेड केलेले असणार मशीन तर फॉर ट्रान्सपोर्टिंग फ्रॉम वन मशीन टू अदर मशीन. ओके. सो दॅट इज युअर FMS सिस्टीम. बरं. आता हिस्ट्रीमध्ये बघू आपण. हिस्ट्री ऑफ FMS. ॲट द टर्न ऑफ द सेंचुरी FMS डिड नॉट एक्झिस्ट. बरोबर. 20व्या शतकात काय होतं, FMS सिस्टीम नव्हती. 21व्या शतकानंतर सुरू झाली. देर वॉज नॉट अ बिग इनफ नीड फॉर एफिशियन्सी बिकॉज द मार्केट्स वेर नॅशनल अँड देर वॉज नो फॉरेन कॉम्पिटिशन. और मुक्त अर्थव्यवस्था नव्हती तेव्हा 21व्या शतकात. 20व्या शतकात मॅन्युफॅक्चरर्स कुड टेल द कन्झ्युमर्स व्हॉट टू बाय. हेनरी फॉर्ड इज कोटेड as saying, people can order any color of car as long as it is black. This was the thinking of many big manufacturers at the time. After the Second World War, for a new era in manufacturing was to come, the discovery of the new material and production techniques increased quality and productivity. The wars This was the thinking of many big manufacturers at the time. After the Second World War, a new era of manufacturing has come. The discovery of raw material and production techniques increased quality and productivity. The wars end open foreign markets and new competition. Now the market focus on consumer and not the manufacturer. बरोबर. कालांतराने काय आलं, दुसऱ्या महायुद्धानंतर हळूहळू कंपनीचा फोकस काय आला त्या मार्केटवर नसून दॅट इज गोज ऑन टू द कंझ्युमर. कंझ्युमरला काय पाहिजे त्याची अपेक्षा पूर्ण केली गेली. द फर्स्ट FMS वॉज पेटेंट इन 1965 पहिलं FMEG पेटेंट केलं गेलं ते कधी केलं? In 1965 by Theo Williamson, who made numerical control machine equipment. Example of numerical control equipment are like a CNC lathes or mills, which is called varying types of FMS. बरोबर 1965 मध्ये साधारण FMS सिस्टम जोडला झाला. In the 70s, manufacturers could not stay up to date with the ever-growing technological knowledge. In the 80s, for the first time, manufacturers had to take in consideration efficiency, quality, and flexibility to stay in business. मार्केटमध्ये राहण्यासाठी काय केलं गेलं एफिशियन्सी क्वालिटी अँड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी सगळ्या गोष्टी विचार करावं लागलं मार्केटिंग कॉम्पिटिशन बरोबर नो इक्विपमेंट ऑफ FMS primary equipment their work centers usually universal machining center or turning centers like rotational FMS grinding machines nibbling machines these are the work centers for primary equipment then process centers wash machines coordinate measuring machines robotic workstations measuring workstations or manual workstations. So these are the primary equipment and process centers for the FMS system. Then there are secondary equipment as also there. Secondary equipment like support system like pallets, fixture load, unload stations, tool commissioning setting area. Support equipment मध्ये काय काय असणार मग रोबोट, pallet fixture, stillage stores, pallet buffer stations, tool store, raw material store, then transport system. That AGV and RGV, these are the important part of FMS system. थोडं लक्षात घ्या FMS सिस्टीम मधला महत्त्वाचा पार्ट आहे AGV. That AGV is automated guided vehicle. तर आपण जेव्हा बघतो फ्लेक्सिबल मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टम मध्ये काय द मशीन्स आर इंटरकनेक्टेड टुगेदर machines are connected together and also while processing the material while operating one activity and one machine it also transport to the next machine also. So that type of transformation system is also required in your FMS system. So this FMS system uses this automated type of system called as AGV, automated guided vehicles. So that is a transportation system for guiding material from one station to another station. So that is an important part for any FMS system. So AGV is automated guided vehicle and RGV that is robotic guided vehicle. Robots, then transport units, pallets and steelages. So these are the different equipment of FMS. Now these are types of FMS. There are number of types of FMS like sequential FMS, random FMS, dedicated FMS, engineered FMS or modular FMS. These are the number of types of flexible managing systems. Then these are the applications of FMS. Where we can use this FMS system for metal cutting machining. मेटल कटिंग करायचं मशीनिंग करायचं मला त्या ठिकाणी आपण FMS सिस्टम वापरू शकतो मेटल फॉर्मिंग मध्ये सुद्धा आपण मशीनिंग वापरू शकतो FMS सिस्टम वापरू शकतो then assembly in automobile assembly also we are using this FMS system then even joining and welding also arc welding joining arc welding spot welding also we can use this FMS system then gluing for pasting some work also we are using this FMS system then surface treatment there are some surface treatment like annealing normalizing so the surface treatment also uses this FMS system then inspection for quality like checking also we are using this FMS system or testing for testing also we are using this FMS system now FMS different approaches there are different approaches for FMS like the capability of producing different parts without major retooling for a number of parts तयार करायचे मला major retooling न वापरता I can go for FMS system a measure of how fast the company converts its processes from making an old line of products to produce new product त्या जुन्या लाईन पासून मला काहीतरी नवीन प्रॉडक्ट तयार करायचे बरं मला काहीतरी नवीन अप्रोच घ्यावा लागेल लाईक FMS system the ability to change the production schedule to modify a part or to handle multiple parts that is FMS system now these are the advantages of FMS system the FMS system flexible management system They're having many advantages like to reduce setup and queue time. Queue time म्हणजे कसं वेटिंग टाइम असतो. तर एका मशीनवर प्रोडक्ट तयार झाला आणि पुढच्या मशीनवर गेलं तर प्रोडक्ट प्रोसेसिंगसाठी. पण पुढच्या मशीनवर काय होतं नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट आधीच ऑलरेडी काय होतं त्याचं वर्किंग चालू आहे. मग काय होतं आलेल्या प्रॉडक्टला काय होतं थांबावं लागतं. वेटिंग टाइम दॅट इज क्यू टाइम. So this waiting time and setup time is reduced in this FMS system. Then improve efficiency. Machine काय होते efficiency improve होती वाढते. Then reduce time for product completion. Product completion साठी लागणारा वेळ काय होतो ऑटोमॅटिकली कमी होतो. Utilizes human workers better. Human working better utilization होतं. Then improve product routing. Product routing जी असते ती काय असते that improve. That reduce the unnecessary movement. Produce a variety of items under one roof. एकाच छताखाली आपण number of different components can be managed in the FMS system. Improve product quality also. Product quality सुद्धा and serve a variety of vendors simultaneously. Number of vendors ला आपण डिलिव्हरी सर्व्हिसिंग देऊ शकतो. बरोबर vendorship देऊ शकतो आपण. Supply करू शकतो आपण. Then produce more product more quickly. So these are the advantages of FMS system. But there are some disadvantages also. Limited ability to adapt changes in product or product mix. Example, machine are limited capacity and the tooling necessary for product. Even the same family is not always flexible in a given FMS system. Then substantial pre-planning activity we are requiring in the FMS system. Expensive, costing millions of dollars. FMS system is not so cheap. It is very expensive in dollars only. Then technological problems or exact compound positioning and precise timing necessary to process a component and sophisticated management system with FMS system. Now, what are the developments of the FMS? Several actions are decided on or before FMS system. So, the FMS system requires several actions. Several actions must be decided on or before you can have a FMS. These actions include control actions among selecting operations needed to make the product, putting the operations in a logical order, selecting equipment to make the product, arranging the equipment for efficient use, designing special devices to help build the product, developing ways to control product quality, and testing the management system also. So this is the example of FMS system. So these are the number of machine stations, machine 1, machine 2, these are the two stations. Then there is a robot is also there. So robot controller is there for controlling machine and there is a host computer like your server. The server will control this number of machines with the help of this robot also. Robot and then robot controller is also there. So in this way, this robot can handle number of machines at a time. Means it will give the material feeding to the robot machine 1. रोबोट काय करतोय रोबोट कंट्रोलरच्या सहाय्याने ते मशीन 1 साठी जे लागणार रॉ मटेरियल ते पण तिथे सप्लाय करतोय आणि आफ्टर प्रोसेसिंग द वन मशीन 1 ते रॉ मटेरियल मशीनवर दिल्यानंतर मशीन 1 वर जे प्रोसेसिंग झाली पहिली स्टेपचं ऑपरेशन झालं. नाउ द मटेरियल इज रेडी टू सर्व ऑन द नेक्स्ट मशीन. So in that robot will also feed that same process part onto the next machine station 2 also. या मशीनवर प्रोसेस झाल्यानंतर ते सेम प्रॉडक्ट मशीन स्टेशन 2 वर सुद्धा फीडिंग केलं जातं विथ हेल्प ऑफ दिस रोबोट. So that is your FMS, one of the simple example of flexible management system. Now FMS layout. There are two types of layout in my FMS system. Nut bolt FMS suppose progressive layout, best for producing a variety of products. And closed loop layout, products can skip stations for flexibility, used for large part size and best for long process times. FMS layouts continued, ladder layout, open field layout. So this is flexible automation, ability to adapt engineering changes in parts, ability to accommodate routing changes, increase in number of similar part produced on the system, and ability to rapidly change the production setup. Challenges with FMS. Now these are the challenges are also there with FMS. Determining if FMS the best production system for your company. economically and socially. No possible expansion costs associated with implementing FMS and day-to-day maintenance of FMS operation also there. इस प्रकार काम करते हैं. So in this way, this is automation system. These are the transportation system from one station to another station. And there is a storage device also there for storing. दूसरा पार्ट देखो. Wait, student, just wait. अपन दूसरा पार्ट देखो इसमें. ये दो अपन just wait. So this is basic introduction history FMS. Now what is FMS? दिसता का स्टूडेंट वेगळी स्क्रीन दिसते का स्टुडंट्स? हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेगळी पीपीटी शेअर केली मी, बघा दिसतंय का?
हो सर दिसते.
हां, FMS काय आहे? FMS इज ऑटोमेटेड मशीन सेल. यामध्ये काय ऑटोमेटेड सिस्टम असणार आहे, कन्सिस्टिंग ऑफ अ ग्रुप ऑफ प्रोसेसिंग वर्कस्टेशन. त्या ठिकाणी काय हा ग्रुप 1, ग्रुप 2, सो दीज आर द ग्रुप ऑफ प्रोसेसिंग वर्कस्टेशन इंटरकनेक्टेड विथ ऑटोमेटेड मटेरियल हँडलिंग. म्हणजे जी काय मटेरियल हँडलिंग ऑटोमेटेड सिस्टम सुद्धा कनेक्ट केलेली आहे. सो ऑटोमेटेड मटेरियल हँडलिंग अँड स्टोरेज ऑल्सो, એટલે स्टोरेज सुद्धा ऑटोमेटेड असणार तिथे. तर आपण कशा प्रकारे असं बघू वन बाय वन. दिस इज युअर FMS सिस्टम consisting of some automated machine cell. CNC मशीन ते ऑटोमॅटिक मशीन्स आहे. ऑटोमॅटिक मशीन सेलचं ग्रुप आहे, प्लस अशा प्रकारचं ऑटोमॅटिक गायडेड व्हेकल्स पण आहे. बरं, AGV जे म्हटलं तुम्हाला ऑटोमॅटिक गायडेड व्हेकल, मटेरियल हँडलिंग पण काय असणार, ऑटोमॅटिक असणार आहे. अँड ऑल्सो स्टोरेज इज ऑल्सो ऑटोमॅटेड स्टोरेज सिस्टम ऑल्सो देअर. So why FMS? External changes such as change in product design and production system. प्रोडक्शनची डिझाईन चेंज झाली, काही प्रोडक्टची चेंज झाली तर काय FMS इज रिक्वायर्ड. ऑप्टिमायझिंग द मॅनेजिंग सायकल टाइम काय मॅनेजिंगचं कमी होतं. रिड्यूस प्रोडक्शनची कॉस्ट सुद्धा कमी होती. अँड ओव्हरकमिंग इंटरनल चेंजेस लाईक ब्रेकडाऊन्स. These are the basic component of FMS system: workstations, then automated material handling and storage systems, computer control systems. So these are the three systems of FMS. Now substations: load and unload station, machining station, other processing station, and assembly. So this is called as AGV, automated guided vehicle. So that automated guided vehicle is already predefined path. The predefined path वरच the guided vehicles will be moved from one station to other. They are called as the automated guided vehicle. They are without human intervention. There is manless driver is there, and there are predetermined path are there. That is AGV, or called as automatic guided vehicles. Computer control program for logic controller. Right? So this is Allied Signals Flexible Management System. So these are the machining centers. Machining center 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the number of workstations. Then these are the automated guided vehicles are also there on this predetermined path. These AGVs are moving, and there is a coordinate measuring machine also there. CMM machine is for measuring the coordinate. Then storage station also there. After processing the component, it is stored at this storage system also there. So this is called as your automated. With the help of this automated guided vehicle, material can transfer from one workstation to other station also. So this is your schematic diagram of flexible managing system. This is one of the example of FMS system, flexible managing system. Again, a 5 machine FMS for machining, photo courtesy of Cincinnati Millicron. These are the one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 machines are interconnected together with the help of this automated guided vehicle also. So that is flexible managing system. So these are the types of FMS: sequential FMS, random FMS, dedicated, and engineering FMS. Now layout of FMS: progressive or line type, loop type, ladder type, open loop or reboot control. So these are the number of progressive layout. Progressive layout मध्ये काय there is one progress is there after machine 1, machine 2, machine 3. Then there is a loop, circular or rectangular loop is there. So it is called as a loop layout. Lateral like means we can from first step to second step there is ladder type layout, then open field layout. Then open fields are there for layout. Robot centered. Robot is there at robot centered layout. That is, these are the different layouts for FMS system. Flexibility in FMS. Flexibility in managing means the ability to deal with the slightly or greatly mixed parts to allow variation in parts assembly and variations in process sequence. म्हणजे काय होतं फ्लेक्झिबल मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टममध्ये काय होतं जेव्हा एका मशीनवर दुसऱ्या मशीन कॉम्पोनंट जात असतात इट इज नॉट लाईक दॅट FMS system is working on only one part. The FMS system can do different flexible parts. Means there is a change in product design or change in production system design also. This design system can be easily incorporated or easily taken to this FMS system. So that is flexibility word. That's why the flexibility in management system. To be flexible, a management system must possess the following capabilities. काय काय लागतं मग? Identification of the different production units to perform the correct operation, then quick changeover of operating instruction, also quick changeover of feasible setups of fixtures, tools, and other working units. So that is flexibility we are requiring. And these are the applications: metal cutting machine, metal forming, assembly, joining, welding, gluing, surface treatment, inspection, testing. So these are the different FMS systems for different applications. So in this way, students, FMS system is one of the important part for any advanced company. Automation मध्ये अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला जर फ्लेक्सिबल प्रोडक्ट वर्किंग करायचं आहे, your product is not fixed. Your product is having number of variety, having change in product system or having change in production system also. So such change can be easily tolerated. Such change can be easily accommodated in this FMS system. That's why it is called as a flexible managing system. And also there is automated material handling also there. This AGV, that humanless machines are there, humanless driving systems are there, which can run on the predefined path. The predefined path where the automatic guided vehicles it will be run from one workstation to other. That is flexible managing system, students. These flexible managing systems are important part for any system. One minute, students. So in this way, students, FMS system is important part for any automation system. Flexible management system. Last automation machine मध्ये सुरुवात असते automation system मध्ये.